and welcome to Tech Dudes, and we are back with our next video, and today we are going to review the phone Redmi A2. We are always thankful to our sponsors. The phone's proud sponsor is Mr. Nagaraj Ajay. Cameraman, focus pannunga. Likes alla summa pitchuga bodhu. This phone is a 4GB RAM and 64GB internal storage, and this is 16,999 only. Now speaking about the phone's dimensions, it is 158.7, 75.4 and 7.3 millimeters, and it weighs around 166 grams. The phone is made up of an aluminium body, and this is of a front glass. It supports dual SIM. The phone's display is IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen display, and it is of 16mm colors. Diagonally speaking, its size is around 5.99 inches, and the screen to body ratio is 77.4%. The phone's resolution is 1080 x 2160 pixels, and it is of the ratio 18:9. This phone runs with Android 1, not with MIUI. The current version is Android 8.1 Oreo. The main advantage of Android 1 is that we get the updates comparatively much faster and directly from Google. It runs on Snapdragon 660, which is an octa-core processor, and the GPU uses Adreno 512. Now coming to the camera, one is of 12 megapixel and the other one is of 20 megapixel, but it has a common aperture of 1.8, and it also has a dual LED flash. The video recording option has 4K recording at 30 frames per second, 2160 pixels at 30 frames per second, 180 pixels at 30 frames per second, and the slow-mo recording is at 720 pixels at 120 frames per second. The front camera has 20 megapixels and an aperture of 2.2 with a LED flash. The front camera supports 1080 pixels at 30 frames per second. We have taken some pictures, and these pictures will be attached now for your reference. This phone does not have a headphone jack, so that the company has given us the converter so that we can connect with the headphone jack. This phone comes in two variants: 128GB internal storage of 6GB RAM and 32 or 64GB internal storage for 4GB RAM. It does not have a memory card slot. The both SIMs supports OLT. This phone does not have a radio. The Bluetooth used is a 5.0 version, which is the latest one, and the MI exclusively gives you the infrared port. The battery used is a non-removable LiPo 3000 mAh battery. For 0 to 100%, this phone takes around 1 hour 15 minutes to get fully charged. And this phone has the latest version of Type-C charging port, which supports fast charging. All the sensors, this phone has a fingerprint sensor. It also has a face unlocking option. It takes less than 0.2 seconds to unlock. This phone comes in 5 colors: black, red, gold, rose gold, blue. Like to this video and do comment about this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel The Tech Dudes. The review is over.